So here's the setup in the grow tent. We're using an ebb and flow system, apparently that's what it's called. So water comes up into the tray from there, goes down again there into the reservoir that it came from. As you can see, they're doing rather well, and some of them are bigger than others. You can see, so they're about that high. See, that's quite big, so like 5 to 6 inches. And this one here, Santana Grande, is the one that's doing best so far. You can see there in terms of height. But some of them have even got little buds on. So look at this one. This is the Cascabella, the Mexican one. You see the buds just there. Okay. Oh, and also this Hungarian hot wax has a little bud on it too. So has the Santa Grande. You can see that the jalapeno purple has much darker leaves than, for example, the lemon drop, which is kind of more limey coloured. And this one here is the monkey yellow, and you can see that, well, you probably can't see because the lighting is throwing out a wavelength. So let's step back and you see it's a bit limier than the one next to it, which is black Hungarian, hence its darkness. And here the jalapeno purple at the front. Now, so how does it work? Well, see, the water comes in, the water in the tray gets higher. You see, it wets the bottom of the pots, and that takes about a minute to reach its height, and then after a minute goes off, water goes down, down the pipes, back into there, and as the water returns, bubbles up, aerates, and apparently that's enough. I need to sort out the temperature, obviously. With the door open, it's dropped to 22 degrees, but we're in the experimental mode, so we will see how it works. All right, tune in next week.